Hi parents, I'm going to walk you through today how to log on to Powerschool and Schoology. So you should have received at orientation a letter that looks like this. At the top it says Southlands Christian Schools and our address regarding Powerschool and Schoology login information. I will be using this paper today to walk you through the setup. As you can see, I'm starting on the school website. That is where you will like to start. To be able to do this, you are going to click the P for Powerschool. Once you click the Powerschool page, you're going to need to click on Create Account here. Creating an account is how you're going to set up all new accounts for Schoology and Powerschool. You cannot skip this step. Clicking on Create Account, you are going to type in your first and last name, your email address, and your desired username. All of this you can input with your information, not your child's. So however you would like that to appear. Give yourself a password and put that in again. Once you have passed that portion, you can scroll down to link student accounts. That is when you will need this paper again. Looking underneath, about halfway down, it says Powerschool Parent Access ID and Password. Underneath that, it says Link Access ID and Link Password. You're going to input those informations here. So put your student's name, and then you're going to put their access ID number, which is on the paper. It says Link Access ID. Should be their last name and some digits possibly, or a last name. And then the password appears there also. And then under relationship, you can choose which of these is you to the child. You can continue to add a second, third, all the way to sixth student. Once you are done with that step, you're going to hit enter. And then the steps should continue on through. To be able to validate your Schoology ID, you have to go through the steps of creating a Powerschool account. Logging in with your student information there. Let me see if I can do this again for my daughter. And clicking at the bottom. Once you have entered that part, you will get an email that says you have to confirm the Powerschool login. Sign up on the email, clicking, yes, I did do this information. Then you are able to go back to the school website and connect a Powerschool account with a Schoology account. Clicking under Parent Login, you will start with Parent Login and sign into Schoology. This is where you will need to use the information on the paper for the Schoology password instructions. Please note that you and your student have separate logins. So you will create a parent account and then help your child to create a student account. Both of these will be used this year for third grade, and it is very important that you set them up. And then the last step, after you have set up a Schoology account, you will be able to log in to your Schoology class. Once you log in through your Schoology class, you will be able to see all of the Schoology information that is accessible through our class. Also a note, there is an app for Schoology that is very user-friendly. You will need the Powerschool mobile app school code, which is down here at the bottom of this letter. At the very bottom, there is some dash marks across that paper. That information is for your child. Please write it down for yourself so that you have their login information, and then also give it to your child like it says on the letter. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and contact me in the classroom. Have a great day. Thank you.